G'day everyone. I'm Jack Huang, Customer Training Specialist at RosterElf. Today I'll walk you through how to access and manage staff leave so you can keep records tidy and payroll running smoothly. How to access the Leave tab on a staff card. Click the Staff tab at the top of your RosterElf screen to open your team list. Select the staff member so the staff card appears. Click the Leave tab in the pop-up to view their leave details instantly. How to add and approve leave on behalf of a staff member. Press Add Leave Record at the top left of the Leave tab to start a new entry. Fill in the dates, leave type, and reason so everything is clear for payroll. Hit Save to lodge the request. It will appear as pending approval. Open the new record, then choose the green tick to approve or the red cross to decline to keep the roster accurate. How to view archived leave for a staff member. Click the Archived tab within the Leave section to see past leave decisions. Scroll through the list, ordered from most recent to oldest, to review history quickly. How to view staff leave balances for Xero-integrated accounts. Select the Leave Balance tab to display current entitlements pulled from Xero. Check each category to confirm staff still have enough leave before approving new requests. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our support team is just a call or chat away. Happy rostering!